Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VidIQ to track competitors and boost revenue, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the VidIQ website. If you haven't already, create an account or log in. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Competitors tab. Click on this tab to start setting up your competitor tracking. Next, you will see an option to add competitors. Enter the YouTube channel names of your competitors. Make sure to select channels that closely match your niche. After adding the channels, click Save to store your preferences. Now, return to the dashboard to view your competitor list. VidIQ will begin gathering data on these channels. To analyze the data, click on the competitors' channel names. This will display their video performance metrics. Pay attention to views, likes, and engagement rates. Using this data, identify which types of content perform best. Next, go to the keyword research tool in VidIQ. Enter keywords similar to those used by your competitors. Analyze the search volume and competition for these keywords. This information can guide your content creation strategy. Now, create videos that capitalize on your competitors' successes. Incorporate their trending topics while adding your unique twist. Monitor your competitors regularly to stay updated on their strategies. Check VidIQ's real-time stats bar for immediate insights. Use this tool during your video uploads to optimize tags and descriptions. Regularly review your own video performance alongside your competitors. Adjust your strategies based on these comparisons to boost revenue. Lastly, continuously refine your approach based on new data insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.